Hello, my YouTube followers. My name is Zara and I'm studying my second year of psychology. In my field of study, we have a lot to learn and to do. So, I'm trying to be as efficient as I can by finding all sort of tools that could help me with it. In this video, I'm gonna show you something that is going to change your life. This website called Virtual Writing Tutor, as you can see in the logo and in the URL, is one of the tools that I often use for my work. Let me show you a little. In the middle of the screen, you have a text area where you can type whatever you want. Here is also some icons that have different functions. For example, this microphone where you can record your text instead of writing it. This icon gives you the chance to hear what you wrote. And this icon, for example, check your spelling. You also have here a lot of different options, for example, the grammar checker, the punctuation checker, and the vocabulary checker, and many more. Let me give you an example of what this website can do. I'll now make mistakes on purpose so you can see it by yourself. For example, I have 19 years. Now I'll click on the grammar checker and it gives me an analysis by itself. So for example, the I, capitalization error. Have. In English, age is not something you have, it's something you are. Did you mean I am 19 years old? God, I love you. This website is really a life-changing tool. Let me give you another example of what this website is capable of. For example, my teacher told me you have to write a minimum of 7 words. And I don't know if I wrote 7 words. For example, I love strawberries and mangoes. And I don't know if I did a minimum of 7 words. So I'll just click on the word counter. 5 words. As I can see, I have 2 words missing. That's about it. I'll let you surf by yourself for the rest of it. Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye bye.